This USB cable is amazing and worth it to buy right now. Meet the Baseus USB cable for iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max X's X8. Plus Cable 2.4, a fast-charging cable for iPhone charger cable USB. Get 93% off discount right now with starting prices from $0.49. At the core of the Baseus USB cable's appeal is its impressive 2.4, a fast-charging capability. This feature ensures that your iPhone charges swiftly and efficiently, minimizing the downtime spent tethered to a charging source. Whether you're in a hurry or need a quick power boost, one of the standout advantages of the Baseus USB cable is its universal compatibility with a range of iPhone models. Whether you own the latest iPhone 14 or an earlier model like iPhone 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, X's, X, or 8 Plus, this charging cable is designed to work seamlessly across various gen. Durability is a key consideration in evaluating the effectiveness of any charging cable, and the Baseus USB cable excels in this aspect. Engineered with durability in mind, the cable boasts a robust construction that can withstand daily wear and tear. The tangle-free design adds an extra layer. Beyond charging, the Baseus USB cable facilitates efficient data transfer between your iPhone and other devices. Whether you're syncing media files, backing up important data, or transferring documents, this cable ensures a smooth and rapid data transfer experience. Connectors are often vulnerable points in charging cables, but Baseus USB cable addresses this potential weak link with reinforced connectors. The connectors are designed to withstand repeated plugging and unplugging, enhancing the overall longevity of the cable. The Baseus USB cable recognizes the importance of flexibility in meeting diverse user needs. With practical length options available, users can choose a cable length that suits their specific requirements. Whether you prefer a shorter cable for on-the-go charging or a longer cable